back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Fab Bag for July month. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you the price. Price for a monthly subscription is ₹599. But don't worry, I have a coupon code by which you can save 10% on your 3-month, 6-month and or yearly subscription. So the coupon code is RITU10. Don't worry, I will be mentioning this in the description box, the coupon code. So you can check it, and of course, you will find the buying link as well, the Fab Bag website there. Now let's quickly see what all is there in July month's edition. So the first thing is this. This is the bag for July month. You can see it's pretty grey, black, greyish kind of a color. And the quality, you already know, quality of Fab Bag bags are really nice. So even this bag is really nice. And this is the inside. This comes with the zipper, quite spacious, you can say, with this much big bag. So yes, happy with this one. Now I have some cards here. So the first one is the info card. I will come back to this later on. The second one is the contest card. So July Fab Bag contest, you just have to click a picture of your July Fab Bag and you have to tag Fab Bag on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and then you can stand a chance to win a nail paint by Seg Cosmetics matte coat top coat. Now the next one is again a flat 10% discount on a Switzerland based brand on your next purchase from Nykaa. So there is a code which I will be mentioning in the description box. Now let's come back to the info card. So this is the info card. Let's start with the first product. The first product is this one. They don't have the makeup selection because this month they have a full palette of 10 different lipstick. So you will receive 10 lipstick in one box, which is amazing. And is from Seduction Las Vegas lipstick mini lipstick set. It has 10 different lipstick, which I've already told you. Let me just open it and show you. So this is the card. And it says the price is ₹499 and the ingredient and everything is mentioned over here on the card. And these are the 10 different shades. I have the shade number 01, 02, 11, 12, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19 and 20. I will be creating a lookbook, I guess, in the end, or let me just open it and show you one shade. This is 01. I'm not really opening the whole set right now. This is the shade. So this is a beautiful red. 01 is the shade and really pretty. So this is the one. And I really like the concept of mini lipstick because they are, of course, tiny in size. You can actually finish them off easily because generally what happens is the lipstick is something which you actually want to try different shades. So eventually you have lots of lipstick, and with mini lipstick, it's really nice. You can carry them wherever you want to, and then you can try more shades. So I think this is a perfect thing, and that's why I like it. Pack of 10 lipstick. Yes, I guess perfect if you want to try different shades, and the price is ₹499. Moving on to the second one. The second one is by Twak, and this is the Bamboo Sap Illuminating Cream. Okay, it's quite a different product. This is, I guess, okay. This is for highlight, and you can highlight your skin with this. Looks nice. You can just see, and let me just open it and try some on my hand. So let's just take some here and see. The price for this one is $310 for 30 gram. So this is the shade, and let me just see the shine. Yes, it gives a really nice, not too loud, but a really beautiful shine. So yes, I like it. I think I'm going to use it. So happy with this one. 30 gram is the quantity. $310 is the price for this one. Moving on to the next one. The next one is by Blossom Culture Aroma Magic, and this is a foot cream. ₹72 is the price for 20 ml. And as you know, Blossom Culture Aroma Magic is a really good brand. They have actually very good product at very affordable prices. So yes, I personally like this brand. This is a foot cream, so of course useful product, I guess. Manufacture of June 2019, best before May 2021. This product is by Swiss Temple Total Cleanup Face Wash scrub and mask. This is a full-size product, and this is from Switzerland. The brand is from Switzerland, and the code which I was telling you is for the same brand. So don't worry, I will be mentioning this. So let's come back to this product. I've heard so many good reviews about this brand, so I'm definitely looking forward for this. And let's talk about this product. This is a total cleanup face wash, scrub and mask. So you can use it as a face wash, as a scrub, as a mask. This is for 12 skin benefits, purifying clay it has, and wild rose. This has natural extract, and this product is free from paraben. So looks nice. 50 ml is the quantity. The price for this one is 110 rupees. I mean, definitely looking forward for this one. Now, moving on to the last one. The last one is by the Soap Company India. This is the Intense Body Wash. Handcrafted Luxury, 100 ml is the quantity. The price for this one is 200 rupees. So yes, body wash, quite useful. Of course, you need body wash. So yes, happy with this one. Now that's all what I've received in my Fab Bag for July month. And if you ask me, I really like the concept of mini lipsticks because you get to try 10 different shades, which is amazing, I guess. So yes, I like this one. Then the Swiss Temple, I think I'm pronouncing it right. Okay, so the product from Swiss Temple, face wash, scrub, and the mask is nice. I'm definitely looking forward for that. Then the illuminating cream is nice. Yes, I want to try this. So yes, I like it, and I will be mentioning everything in the description box. So you can find all detail in the description box. And that's all for Fab Bag. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.